Phonics Fun Land, Lesson 2. Today, we will blend sounds to make 3-letter words. Let's begin. Listen carefully.
S, A, T, I, P, N.
Word 1. Ant. Let's read together. A, N, An, T. Ant. Let's read it again. A, N, An, T. Ant. Word 2. S, A, sat. Sat. Let's read it again. S, sat. Sat. Word 3. Sap. 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 Let's read it again. Sap. Sap. Word 4. Sip. 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 Let's read it again. Sip. Sip. Word 5. Sit. 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 Let's read it again. Sit. Sit. Great reading! Ant, sat, sap, sip, sit. All right, let's have a little fun before we continue. We're going to clap, shake our bodies, and stomp our feet. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Clap, clap your hands. Shake, shake your body. Stomp, stomp your feet.
Word 6. Sis. Let's read together. Sis. Sis. Let's read it again. Sis. Sis. Word 7. Tap. 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 Let's read it again. Tap. Tap. Word 8. Tin. 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 Let's read it again. Tin. Tin. Word 9. Tit. Tit. Let's read it again. Tit. Word 10. Tip. 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 Let's read it again. Tip. Tip. Let's go on. Word 11. Nap. 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 Let's read it again. Nap. Nap. Word 12. Pat. Pat. Let's read it again. Pat. Word 13. Pan. Pan. Let's read it again. pa, n, pan. Word 14. Pin, p, I, pi, n, pin. Let's read it again. P, I, pi, n, pin. Word 15. Pit, p, I, pi, t, pit. Let's read it again. P, I, pi, t, pit. Thank you for watching, friends. Like and subscribe to keep learning with us. See you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.